Hey guys, how you going? It's Alan here from Vynz Productions. Now I just want to make this video just to clear some confusion. I get this question asked all the time from my clients. How do I download the video from the Google Drive link and how do I upload it properly to Instagram? So I'm going to help you out. Now you want to download the Google Drive app first. Then once I send you the link either on Instagram or message or I'll email it to you. Let's take for example one of my clients, Mustache the Barber. I sent him the link, the Google Drive link. Now what you want to do is click on it. And unfortunately, you can't download the video through this screen. You gotta click this little icon at the bottom, and then you wanna open it in Safari. And what that will do is it will transfer you to Google Drive app, which you would have already downloaded. And from here, then you click on those little three icons at the top right, and you scroll down, send a copy, click on that, and then save video option will come up, and you wanna save it. Now, once it's all saved, it should be in your gallery. Then you wanna go to Instagram. You want to go to add, and then you want to select on your video. Now you don't want to upload it like this. You want to click on the little bottom left icon. That's going to enlarge the video and make a full screen, or else if you upload it the other way around, it's going to cut the quality and cut the video as well. Then you click next, and now you don't want to upload it with a black cover. You want to select the cover at the bottom right, click on that, and then you're going to scroll to whatever cover you want, just whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to select that one, then click next. You want to just write a caption, a few hashtags to get more exposure, and also just tag me as well at Vynz Productions. That way, because I have almost 1,000 followers, I can reshare it to my story, and that way you get more exposure like that as well. All right, I'm going to help you out. So yeah, I hope this resolves your questions, and if you got any other questions or you need any more help, just message me and I'll help you out. All right, thanks guys, have a good day.